Hey guys, what's up? Today I am going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel from your PC or laptop. For this, you should select a browser from your PC. I select Chrome browser here and you can see the search option here. Type YouTube in the search option and press enter from keyboard. I press enter from keyboard and you can see sign in option here. Viewers, press your mouse pointer here and you can see Google sign in to continue YouTube here. If you want to make a YouTube channel from your Gmail account, you must type your Gmail account here. I type my Gmail in this option and viewers you should press next option and you should type your password. I type my password. If you want to make sure your password you can click here. After that click next option. I click next option and some moment you can see recover phone number and recover email address here. After that you can press done. Viewers, now you press sign in option again and press again. After that you must go to my channel. Look here. Here is the suggested name from Google, Abong tag. If you want to take this name without any changing, you can press create channel. Or if you want to a brand name or business name, you can press here. I want to take this name without any change, so I should press create channel. You see, I press create channel and a YouTube channel created. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update.